Hello, and welcome to this session on the business case. In the previous sessions, we have learned about what projects are and what are the different business operations programs. What are PRINCE2 project management methodologies, its integrated elements, its 7 principles, its 7 themes, 7 processes, how to tailor PRINCE2 to project environment. In this session, we will be talking about the purpose of the business case theme, what a business case is, and PRINCE2 approach to the business case, where we will discuss what goes into a business case, the management product, how to develop it, how to verify and maintain it, and how to confirm the benefits using the benefits review plan. Now, let's look at the purpose of business case theme. The purpose of the business case theme is to establish mechanisms to judge whether the project is and remains desirable, viable, and achievable as a means to support decision-making in its continued investments. Now, the business case theme states that it establishes mechanisms. What are those mechanisms? Business case and the benefits review plan. Before we discuss what a business case is, what goes into the business case, and what a benefit review plan is, and what goes into it, let's talk about what business justification in itself is. We know that one of the principles of PRINCE2 is that project must have a continued business justification. The business justification is the reason for the project. Without this justification, no project should start. And if the justification goes away, then the project must be stopped or changed. So, what are these reasons? Reasons are the situations that necessitate a project. Let's take an example of what the reasons for a project can be. Let's look at an organization which runs a chain of restaurants. Recently, this organization has been receiving numerous complaints from its patrons about the parking arrangements that are being made in the restaurants that the organization manages. The major complaints are regarding the number of parking spaces that are there in the restaurants, and that these parking spaces are not available to genuine patrons, and these parking spaces are being used by people from the neighborhood. Now, the organization wants to address these reasons. And how do we address these reasons? By using projects and programs. So, we'll discuss more about reasons where we look at the contents of the business case. In PRINCE2, the business justification is documented in the business case, and the reasons for undertaking the project must drive and will drive decision-making in a PRINCE2 project.